Hi everyone, welcome to this walkthrough of the social media content planner template. In this video, I'm gonna to show you exactly how to use every part of this template so you can plan, you can create, post and track and optimize your content with complete clarity, okay? Whether you are a business owner, content creator or social media manager, this dashboard will help you stay consistent, organized and fully in control of your content strategy. Okay, let's start with the setup page. This is where you define all of the foundational settings that power the rest of the planner. Okay, at the top, simply type your business name and choose your currency symbol. Okay, so the currency will be reflected across the finance hub and dashboards. Next, set up your main goal. For example, stay consistent and grow engagement or increase sales, whatever you need and what is your goal. Okay, this main goal will appear across the template as you North Star. Here you can choose when your content cycle starts and which day of the week you want the planner to begin, Sunday or Monday. Here we have the platform section. Here you can list all the platform you use: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. تمام, all custom in one's other. Okay, each platform has three fields: name, icon link and website link. This helps the system organize and customize the experience for each platform. Next, we list all the formats you need or you use: posts, reels, story, shorts, video and whatever. This will appear as a drop-down menus across the planner. Finally, define your content pillars such as education, promotion, entertainment, inspiration, whatever you need. This pillar help you keep your content balanced and strategic. Here some of status was his icon, and here in the section you can choose the person in charge of each post or each content type. Here is the hashtag category, and this hashtag category will show as a drop down in the table. And here some goals, and here some finance settings such as income category and its description, and expense category was its description. Okay, let's go to the content tab. This is the main working area here in the template. It's where we will plan every single piece of the content. Here is the table of content, and here is the name of the business, and here is the main goal of this business. Okay, each row represents one content idea or post. You can fill details like date, time, content period, and all of this is drop down to help you insert your data easily. Platform, format, goal, idea, caption, hashtag, CTA, image or media link, status, and person change, and finally the notes you need. And this is some checkbox to show you what stage in this post now. It is in a plan or script or image or caption or in schedule or post or repost. Okay, let's go to the second section is the calendar view. In this section you can show all your content or your posts as days in this calendar. So here you can choose the start date, so when you start it will be start here. Okay, let's start the tone of maps. Okay, here is the sum of posts in each day, and if the day has more than one post it will be appear here in a separate way. Okay, and this all for 30 day of the month with all posts or all ideas you can fill here. was 4 weeks. Okay, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And here you can highlight specific date. Any date you choose here, it will be specific highlight. Okay, so let's highlight this. It will be highlighted here. Okay, let's go to the next section is the specific post view. In this section you can show the post in specific view. All you need to do is just set the post ID. Here is the post ID in the table, here is the post ID. Okay, so when you choose the post ID, let's do it's 1. Okay, it will be show that all the data of this post, date, status, content period, the caption and idea, and all of the data for this specific post. So let's go to the next tab. It's the goals tab. In this goals tab allows you to plan growth for each platform over time. For every platform, Facebook and Instagram, you can set goals for any goals you need, such as posts, likes, and you have choose from the top menu, and the start date based on the start date you entered in the setting page. Okay, and goals you need in this specific date and in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and so on. Okay, here is you set your goals. Okay, this help you to plan long-term growth with clarity. Let's go to the part 6. It's the platform analytics. In this platform analytics, you show this where you monitor your actual growth for each platform. You can track trends, growth versus start, and some notes. So here is the start date is from the goals, and this is the actual data for this month. In 1 month, 3 months, and here is some visualization to compare between the data in the start and in the last date. Okay, let's go to the last tab before the dashboard is the finance tab. This is the most important finance after the content tab. Okay, you can track income, expense, ROI, ROS, monthly profit, budget versus real spending, and cash flow. You can enter your initial balance. Okay, and in down here you can set your subcategory for income and for expense. So when you have a category here, and you can enter the expected from this category. Okay, and also for the expense category. Okay, so this is the expected and this is the actual numbers for each subcategory. Okay, so hit down your table to track all the data for income and for expense. So you can choose the date here and the amount and the subcategory for this amount. Okay, when you add here, it will be automatically added here in the income category in the real number, and also here in the final balance after adding the initial balance. And you can choose here the date you want, any date you want. Okay, based on the months and year. Here is the KPI to show you total money received and total money spent and the profit here. Okay, here is some visualization to show you the comparison between income and expense. Okay, here is show you the return on investment. Okay, and then return on ad spend, and this is the left to spend and left to budget. Here's the chart to show you the monthly expenses, and here the comparison between income, expenses, and profit. In this table, it will profit calculation based on months. So here income, expense, profit, and the margin for each month. And here is the chart to show you where does your money go with percentage. Okay, and here is the number for each subcategory. So here in the team category, it will be budget and the rear and the percentage for this, but from budget to rear. So we have finished the finance tab. So let's go to the last tab, is the dashboard tab. Here in the dashboard tab, it will automatically go you to the date of the day. Okay, and here it will show you the upcoming post based on the date of the today, and he will show you the previous posts feed. Okay, and here is the if the any posts in the today, it will be added here. Okay, and here is some insights for finance, such as monthly profit and total money received, total money spent, income versus expenses, monthly income and expenses.